Hey guys, what's going on? So, I came up with a little bit of a plan today. So, I slept in a bit today. I had to drive someone to an appointment at 9:45. So, unfortunately, I didn't get to trade today after that win yesterday. It was only $108 to finish the month. But I came up with a plan because what caused this was a lack of discipline. So I've been talking so much about how, this is great, but if you don't know how to slow down, then you're going to just give back all the profits that you've made. So I was watching a warrior trading video today. I'm sure a lot of people that follow me also follow that channel. And Ross on that channel, he spoke a lot about how that can happen. If you don't know how to slow down in a slow market, this will happen and you'll actually, give it all up or you'll go into the red. So somehow, fortunately, I guess I didn't do it for April, but I got pretty close. Like, I shouldn't have lost that much. So anyways, when I got back home, it was already like close to noon. I looked at the market. Everything had already made its move, right? So I didn't want to trade. I didn't want to trade like no one trades really past noon. I didn't want to trade today and lose money, so I came up with these kind of rules that I'm going to start to follow. So even though, sorry, let me open that up one more time. So even though I had the $100 profit, I'm pretty sure I used I used too many shares. So I'm putting myself back in a smaller version of the REHAB that I was in before in February, where I had only had 200 share positions. So this time, in March, April, May, it's going to be a 400 share max position size, and then I'll probably go right up to 800 next month. So I'm going to do this for the full month. Some changes I'm going to do this time in the spreadsheet. So in the spreadsheet, I'm going to record each individual trade instead of just the daily. So like what I made in the whole day and just random comments. I'm going to record each trade, position size, average per share gain or loss for the trade, and also the setup thoughts on what happened. Now, since we're in a slow market, I need to really, really wait for quality entries. So typically those are the 1-minute pullbacks or your 5-minute setups or your daily setups, whatever it is. The point is that I can't be chasing stuff. So what led to this was a lot of chasing, a lot of crappy entries. So if I go back to the live video for that, what is this? April the 26th. Right here should be the video. Let's move it over so you can see it here. So let's say here I was watching a stock and it already had made its move up from 140. So I would get in at 143. I took way too many shares. At that time, I was using more, but still 3,500 is too much. And then when I had profit, I didn't take it, even though I was already chasing it. So if I had been selling where I was buying, and holy crap, my webcam just got really dark. Let me fix that. Okay, so if I had been taking profit up in the 40s from an entry of 40 on 3,500 shares, that would have been, like $200. So I shouldn't have been chasing that. I think I do it again on another trade, and see, I get out for a loss. So that's unfortunate. And then that turns out to be just a momentary kind of dip, and then it does surge back up. And then when it surges over the daily level here of 144, I say to myself, okay, it's holding it, so let's get in again. And I'm pretty much chasing it, and I don't take profit again when I have it. So that, like, it's... And then I hold on for too long when it doesn't work out. And you know, shorts just pile into this, pile in, and people are selling. So this thing goes straight down. So it's not a good entry, because a better entry would be closer to these moving averages, or a 1 minute setup, 5 minute setup, whatever it may be. You need to take really good entries. So this was on the day, this wasn't today, like I said, this was the day that I lost quite a bit of money. So, you know, here we go again with a good 1 minute setup on MTSL. I don't take profit when I have it. There's a huge ass seller here, 50,000 shares. I don't even put any of my shares up on the ask. Actually, wow, he gets either bought up or something. So, like, I'm not taking profit. You can see me there. I'm looking at my P&L on the day, and it's affecting my trading, right? Like, I'm getting emotional on these trades. So, you know, I just should be taking profit all through here. This is, and then look, the trade goes red on me. How much was I up? I was up 500, 600 at one point, and I let the trade go red on me. So it's just it shows a severe lack of discipline on my part. So this month it's going to be focused on discipline. It's going to be Discipline May, whatever you want to call it. So don't wait too long to take profit. Typically 10 or 15 cents, I'll take some profit. And stop out sooner. So break out or bail out, and then reevaluate after. This is going to be key. So if I show myself that I can do this, I'll know that I'm getting rehabilitated in terms of revenge trading, or just being a bad trader. Because sometimes you don't do that as a revenge trade. You just hold and hope. But I need to focus on these things, and once I show myself I can do it, I'll move back up again. And also, I put a stop on myself of no more than 3 trades per day. So whether that's 3 names and 5 trades, maybe 1 or 2 per name if there's like multiple setups, but no more than three stocks, I guess. 1 or 2 trades per name, but even that's kind of pushing it. So that'll eliminate over trading. So whether it's 3 green or 3 red, I just have to follow the rule and show that I have the discipline. So that's going to be the plan. What moved today? Was it HTBX or H? Yeah, I was watching. It's funny. I was actually watching Warrior Trading's video here today. Apparently HTBX was a big mover. Let's pull up the trading platform here, and I'll show you guys. Let it load. Oh, actually, I probably shouldn't type this in on the recording here. I'll figure it out. What was it? NASDAQ HTBX. HTBX. So I guess this is what happened this morning. Okay, so I just briefly I'll say, so I need to be waiting for 1 minute setup. So I can't be chasing this. I can't be, you know, if this makes a move, I can't be buying up in here. I need to wait for these 1 minute pullbacks. So if you see this candle forming, right, like right here, you see there's a sell-off. Sure, it's on, this sell-off is on lower volume and it's being bought up. This is the hammer candle. It's typically a bullish sign. And that was right around the support of the beginning of the day. So if this makes a new high, this would be a great place to get in at 336 or 335 with a stop at the low, so 324. So 11 cents of risk for a potential back to high move of 360. So, you know, 25 cents or so of profit as your first target. And then if it pushes through, that's your second target. So close to 3 to 1-ish, 2 to 1, 2.5, 3 to 1 risk to reward ratio, which is a really good trade. And you know, this one ended up working out. If you took some profit here and then took some more profit somewhere up here, that would have been a great trade. So just briefly, that's what I'm going to be doing for May. I'm going to update this. I'm going to put my max position size, all of this, and I'm going to make room like on here to write in more about each individual trade. So that's the plan moving forward. I'm really happy that I've been increasing my profits each month. So let's see what happens. I guess I had a decent finish to the end of the month, to the end of April. But again, I wasn't showing a lot of discipline. I was just kind of trading, and it just so happened that like, you remember, I was down like $150 or something, and then I took a trade with bigger size to make it up. So once you start going down that rabbit hole, it's usually not a good thing. So again, broken record. These are my rules. I'm going to follow them. Let's see how tomorrow goes. The profits aren't going to be as big anymore, but I think that's what needs to happen for me in the long term to succeed. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.